Many people make a mistake right from the very first step when boiling eggs. That is putting the eggs in water and bringing it to a boil. But the truth is, if you want delicious eggs, never boil them directly in water. Today, I'll show you how to boil eggs perfectly, just like in a 5-star restaurant. The eggs cook evenly, with soft, smooth yolks that never dry out. Just touch them lightly, and the shells peel off effortlessly. It's surprisingly easy. If you've ever been frustrated by eggs that are hard to peel, then this video is definitely for you. Let's watch. Tip 1. First, prepare about 6 whole eggs with their shells intact. Next, pour cold water into the pot so that the water level covers the eggs by 2 to 3 centimeters. This is the ideal water level to help the eggs cook evenly and reduce the risk of cracking. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar to the pot. Here, I use half a lemon squeezed directly into the pot. Stir gently to mix the lemon juice evenly into the water. Place the pot on the stove, turn the heat to medium, and bring the water to a boil from cold. Never add the eggs when the water is already boiling, to avoid cracking the shells right from the start. When the water begins to boil and bubble, open the lid and stir thoroughly with a fork. This step is very important because it helps the eggshells become brighter, cleaner, and especially much easier to peel after boiling. When the water begins to boil and bubble, open the lid and stir thoroughly with a fork. After 7 minutes, quickly use a slotted spoon or spoon to remove the eggs while they are still hot. Place the eggs on a table or in a basket, then use a spoon to gently tap around the egg to crack the shell evenly across the surface. The more evenly the shell is cracked, the faster and easier it will be to peel. I tapped each egg one by one until all 6 were done. Once the shells were cracked, I put all the eggs back in the pot and continued boiling for another minute. This extra boiling step helps the egg white contract and separate completely from the shell, making it extremely smooth and easy to peel. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After boiling for an additional minute, immediately remove the eggs and place them directly into a bowl of cold water. Soak them for about 2 to 3 minutes to cool them quickly and firm up the whites. Thanks to this thermal shock, the membrane between the shell and the egg will automatically separate. Take out a plate. When peeling, simply start from the center of the egg, and the shell will come off in large pieces very easily. The result is smooth, clean eggs with no shell residue, and completely intact yolks. Eggs are one of the most nutritious and familiar foods. But for eggs to be truly good for your body, there are a few things you should remember. After eating eggs, you should not drink tea right away. This is because the protein in eggs, when combined with the tannic acid in tea, can cause indigestion and make your body absorb nutrients less efficiently. Similarly, chicken eggs should not be eaten with soybeans, as this combination prevents the nutrients in both from being fully utilized. Now, let's take a look at this egg. Just gently crack it, and the shell peels off neatly and beautifully. Cut the egg in half, and you'll see the golden yolk, perfectly cooked, soft and smooth. A simple boiled egg is enough to bring a delicious and satisfying feeling. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a light meal during the day, eggs are always a convenient, easy to make, and nutritious choice. Keep watching this video. In the next tip, I'll show you how to boil eggs so they're not boring to eat. Tip 2. In this video, I will show you how to make boiled eggs with fluffy insides right in their shells. To do this, you will need eggs and tights, or thin but durable long socks. Place the egg in one side of the tights, or socks, and position it right in the center. Use rubber bands or string to wrap tightly around both sides of the egg to secure it, preventing it from shifting when spinning. Next, hold both ends with both hands, keeping the egg in the middle, then twist the fabric about 20 to 25 times until it is taut and tight. Once twisted enough, pull both ends strongly in opposite directions so that the fabric unfurls, causing the egg to spin very quickly. Repeat this step 10 to 12 times for each egg to ensure the inside is thoroughly beaten. After completing the twisting step, place the eggs in a pot while the water is still cold, then pour in water to cover the eggs by about 2 to 3 centimeters. Turn the stove to medium heat, allowing the water to gradually heat up and come to a gentle boil, ensuring the eggs cook evenly and minimizing shell cracking. When the water begins to boil, cook for an additional 9 to 10 minutes over low heat until the eggs are fully cooked. Then, remove the eggs and let them cool naturally, or quickly soak them in cold water for 3 to 5 minutes to make peeling easier. When you peel off the outer shell, you will see that the inside is completely different. The white and yolk have blended together, creating a smooth, fluffy texture with no clear boundaries like regular boiled eggs. The finished product has an attractive golden color and cuts neatly, looking like eggs that have been beaten beforehand, which is both unusual and interesting. Anything long, soft, and twisted with friction can be used, but t-shirt sleeves, long socks, and tights are still the best choices for beautiful and stable results. So if eggs can be properly prepared from the start like this, what happens when we put them in a baked dish instead of just boiling them? Let's start with a quick, easy, and very simple oil-free air fryer baked egg sandwich. So, with just 2 simple tips for boiling eggs and an extremely simple method, you can clearly see that eggs aren't difficult to prepare. It's just that we often handle them incorrectly from the start. By making a few small adjustments, eggs will be easier to peel, cook more evenly, and can be flexibly applied to many other dishes in the family. How did you usually boil eggs before, and which tip in today's video surprised you the most? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading and responding to each of your comments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more simple yet effective kitchen tips in future videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.